Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on Start Lab and right click and open the console incognito window. Now here, click on I understand. Now from here, just click on it to activate the Cloud Shell. Also do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now click on Continue. Authorize. Now in the description box, I've shared this repository, GitHub Dash. You have to simply come over here, paste it like this. Now it's asking for the region. Control F, find the region. Now from here, carefully just come to the task number 2. From here, just copy the first region, paste, hit enter. Now time for second region, paste, hit enter. Now here it's asking for zone 3. So just come over here, down a bit, and you'll find the zone also. So let me just see, zone is there. Yes, here is the zone. Just paste it, hit enter. Now wait for all these to get completed. Now this will take 5 to 6 minutes and all these things are done. Now let's come to the lab instruction and check the score. And if you want this yellow check my progress bar, you can check the video description how to enable check my progress bar. Now just check the score again. So if you're getting this error on task number 4, what you can do, you can simply come over here, compute engine, VM instance, and just click on it and just click on view gcloud command, run in cloud shell, hit enter. Now here, just run this command. And after that, come to the lab instruction and try to check the score. So you can clearly see how we fixed the issue. If you got this issue, simply run this command. And do like the video and subscribe the channel and have a great day ahead.